So how to make the Redmi Pad SE 8.7 tablet to run faster? So you go to settings and you go to display and brightness, and on refresh rate you just set it to 60. Even though in theory the tablet will run faster on 90, the thing is the tablet is just not fast enough, and if you're just setting it to 90 it will just lag. So set it to 60, you will not feel the difference that much. Other than that, you can just go to developer options. So you go to additional settings, developer options, and you leave the default animations to 1.5. So these settings, leave them to 1.5, because if you remove them, also in theory you will think that the tablet will run faster. But the thing is, these animations are just masking the lag. So if you remove them, the tablet will feel that it's lagging. Other than that, you can just limit the background process limit, leave them to at most 3 processes. Depends on what you're using the tablet for. In my case, 3 processes seems to work. By default you will have no limit, and if you open like 9 apps or 10 apps, the tablet will just lag quite a lot. Other than that, you go to let's see, so additional settings and memory extension, and you just check 4 gigabytes. So in theory the tablet has 4 gigabytes, and you extend it with 4 gigabytes, you will have 8 in theory. But from what I've noticed, there is not much difference even if you set it like that. Other than that, just set it to dark mode. It will reduce the battery consumption, and that's pretty much it. This is pretty much all you can do to tweak the tablet in order to make it to run faster. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.